Alright, I'm super excited. Samples of the shirts has finally come in. I've been waiting. So let's take a look at what they look like. Okay. There's the first one. Oh, wow. That turned out really good. Holy crap. That looks awesome. There's the first one. Wow. The quality is really good. Oh, wow, this looks so cool. I am so excited about this. Here's the next one. The colors are just so vibrant. I'm really surprised at it's pretty clear too. I mean, I don't know how it feels like it's part of the fabric, not like a screen print. It's gonna be super comfortable. So the first shirt was an American Apparel. This one is a Bella Canvas, which is what I used to print on. Super soft ring spun cotton. And then this is the one I'm not sure about. I did an experiment with an all over print that Sarah really wanted. I did a crop top just with the logo on there. Wow. Looks cool. The black's really black. And even I've heard the all over prints can have problems in some of the seams, but this turned out perfect. I don't see any problems anywhere. So yeah, that'll be in the shop soon too. So stuff turned out really good. All right, that's it. That's the 3 of the sample shirts. That means I'm just about ready to take the store live. So pretty soon, just a couple more days probably once I get a few more products uploaded. Thanks for watching.